So we're coming in to the cut flower garden to make a bouquet. And we're going to see what has made it through all this rain. So some of these I want to save seeds from. So like this I'm letting dry out so that I can get the seeds from this. And I have to let it go all the way, but look at how pretty these are. Oh my gosh. I'm going to try to cut some of these. Oh, those are beautiful. Zinnia. This is all zinnia on this side. This is stunning. Is there a Japanese beetle in there? No. Okay. Look at that. Airy, giant white from Eden Brothers. Oh my gosh. The color on this is crazy. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Okay. And these are Mexican sunflowers. And they are just growing like crazy. And then we've got stock back here, which is just stunning. And I am thrilled now that I know how to get them going and grow them. I will be doing this all the time because these flowers just remind me of such an antiqued look. And I just love that antique look, that old world flower look. They don't last long. These got so beat up in the rain. These are a perennial and they come back every single year for me, and they're gorgeous, and I love putting them into bouquets. These are cone flowers and they are still growing. It's their first year, so we'll see how they do. And look at the celosia. They're starting to get filled out, and this is a whole big zinnia patch. I just shook them all out in there to see what happens. White, and I forget what this one is called. I gotta get this vine off of here. They grow so quickly and they wrap themselves around everything and choke them out. All right, time to pick. It's the cut flower garden. Look at that. So I try to make sure, look, this is not the vase I'll keep them in, but this is just for me to cut them and get them immediately in water. It's hard for me to make choices. Some of these have already, this is so beautiful. But I think I want to keep this here to dry because I want to capture the seeds from that one. So pretty. Captured. Yeah, look at that. For sure. Got a rainbow of colors going on in here right now. Look at that. A little special show while he's pollinating. We've got 3 of them. Here, I think we're going to take... Oh, these look so good. I don't want to take that one yet. That one's pretty beat up. Let's see. I think we can, let's see. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh, wow. Look how awesome that looks. Very Dr. Seuss-like, as you know. Me and my Dr. Seuss looks. Okay, here it is. And you can see how cool it looks when they are all together in there. Oh my gosh. Could not be more excited with the way this one looks.